Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change app icons on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, if you want to do it, make sure that you have the shortcut app. And if you don't have one, just install one in your app store. So once you've done that, just click on shortcuts and then click on the plus sign on the upper right side of your screen, and then click add action. Then here you just want to search for open app, so you want to click open app, and then after that click choose, and then choose any app that you want to change the icon. So for example, the Facebook or calculator. So after you done that, you just want to click in this three little dots on the upper right side of your screen, and then here you can put any shortcut name that you want, and then you can also add this to your home screen by clicking add to home screen. And then here if you want to change the icon, just click on this icon on the left side of the name of your shortcut. So click choose photo, and then just click any icon that you want, then add. So as you can see, added to home screen. So let's go back to your home screen, and as you can see, this is the new shortcut. So if you try to click that, it will take you to calculator, and that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.